Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make better purchasing decisions while keeping you entertained. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than your aunt's secret chili recipe. On my left, we have the Ruko F11PRO, and on my right, the Bwine F7GPS. Buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride. Alright, let's talk money. The Ruko F11PRO comes in at a sweet $389, which is a pretty good deal, kinda like finding a dollar in your old jeans. The Bwine F7GPS, on the other hand, is a bit pricier at $501. That's like splurging on avocado toast every morning for a month. So if you're on a budget, Ruko might just be your new best friend. Next up, flight time. The Ruko F11PRO boasts a whopping 60 minutes with its 2 batteries. That's enough time to fly around, take some epic shots, and still have time to grab a snack. Meanwhile, the Bwine F7GPS offers 50 minutes. It's like running a marathon but forgetting to stretch. Still impressive, but not quite there. So Ruko takes the crown for endurance. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff. Camera quality. Both drones have 4K cameras, but the Bwine F7GPS steps it up with a 3-axis gimbal. That's like having a professional photographer on board, ensuring your shots are steadier than a yoga master. Plus, it has 5x digital zoom, so you can get up close and personal with that squirrel in your backyard. The Ruko F11PRO, while impressive, can't quite match that level of stability. So Bwine, you win this round. How about wind resistance? Both drones can handle level 6 wind resistance, which means they'll stay rock steady even if you're filming in a hurricane. Okay, maybe not a hurricane, but you get the point. It's a tie here, folks. Both drones are tougher than your grandma's meatloaf. Safety first. Because no one wants to lose their new toy. Both drones have GPS auto return, which means they'll come back to you when the battery's low or they lose signal. It's like having a homing pigeon, but way cooler. The Ruko F11PRO has some nifty beginner settings to keep things simple, while the Bwine F7GPS offers advanced GPS features like waypoints and Follow Me. So if you're a tech geek, Bwine's got your back. Last but not least, customer service. Ruko promises 30 days of returns and a 90-day warranty. That's like having a safety net when you're trying out new circus tricks. But Bwine takes it up a notch with quick resolutions and a dedicated team ready to solve your issues faster than you can say drone malfunction. Bwine, you're the MVP for customer support. Amazon reviewers have spoken. The Ruko F11PRO impresses with its build quality, ease of use, and long flight time, making it a fantastic choice for both beginners and seasoned flyers. On the other hand, the Bwine F7GPS wins praise for its camera stability, ease of setup, and excellent customer support, making it a solid investment for those looking for a more advanced flying experience. So there you have it, folks. Both the Ruko F11PRO and the Bwine F7GPS have their strengths and quirks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with more flight time, Ruko's your go-to. But if you want top-notch camera stability and stellar customer service, Bwine is worth the splurge. Remember, it's not about which drone is better, it's about which drone is better for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart and buy smart.